anata ni dua ke kariake na osi la yama comme itelle mu point of entry ni aba point of entry ka visa so you wa any document be ba pika ila office ani minister ma ko na luya ma ko so bari ngade ala sallo la ko den sinadu fatas ko bismillah yeah, for the for language, because of language, I think we need to change the dialect. One, you need to understand what we're saying. In brief, I just told them that all this welcoming is made possible through the immigration department and the government of the Gambia. So we hail them for their efforts to make sure that our Vanessa will now it's not bare wet, it has to be fatty or it has to be dry. Okay, who came here through their efforts. We are just coordinators. We just coordinate. We tell them, well, this is what we want. It's possible. They give us. So we want him, being the in charge of this station, to give a few welcoming remarks. So, thank you very much.
Ala baraka bake because Allah ni luntango is a very important luntangolom luntang kende ba because kabirin kunun sutu kabirin kunun tilibulo na letter ni soto from our department ko nyi nyanta kanaja non nana raja nyanta ka jiaku wala na suba juna ntafa na da baraka kabirin na fa de wole nyen ka fo nyen nata ba ko ko amanna folode bo tangor ko ala nata ka adun tan to fa wala banko kan kairo kono se mum fono lam nyenti international be se ala dane hajo mu ya se jang a ke anyama ay muru anyama sini sama saje ko solata fe mo fenna ambassador la di immigration department tol bi jam pour mol bele ntol naaje ko serviceman in the border hada ma do wala nan tol bi jam na tol tijam to tekala moti woto mba tentulam ba jalla ala ni welcome o fa o sana fangala ay tandala ko aliya kuliya bake kamin mba fa officer ngai ko barete important because ni tata banta ngamunje banta amo kuma bal so sotono woto alla na jang datan tolwe alo mari masakallanke anata hajo mina atolla karola alama ala sonande alama ala sonande alama ala ko be sonande alnata kar alama ala murundi kar alhamata mumbul atebul alama aydum alkono mashallah that's what I have
this time around. I think I just have to pass the mic back to, but before I do that, let me allow our women leaders to welcome you.
Assalamu alaikum. Nakafunon be konto. Ngana luntam ba fana konto men kada Vanessa anadin. Anin kanna kontano itande fana. Ko fen Gambia ko le mat. Men nata men manna. Mbelbe kontano ni purala dum Gambia banko. Andu ngamira na bendu nya fana itande ka fana yalne ko Gambia banko le temi yalon ko leftalun tan ko la ba. Wala nam fana ngay bendu ndir nyaay tan dal pura salon ko banko le mom fanante lungtan ko o kuntan to lefta wala o bendu ndrole kala mbe duwala nyi manata nyame fu ala sa nyi mamurde nala nyuji asa kenne banko be Cairo edisa welcome.
Assalamu alaikum. Mbe mol be kontonna mo membe jang mbe immigration office e doku bake Gambia kono jang nga konton bake Gambia musol be ngalon immigration ay doku oke e doku oke de GRTS be jang anin Fulbe TV fanam wo fanam be Fula TV fanam be jang nga wol be konton nga banku tiyo nga wole konton wole president Barrow nga wo konton bakele ngala no malankol konton anin ala officialu membe bundato me dual alama e me jankaya kono alquran hormoto Vanessa afa welcome Gambia ngana kafu dingol be konton ha en sewta bakele ala baraka.
I am thrilled, humbled upon this really warm and lovely welcome. Thank you, Mr. Fati. Thank you to the lovely ladies who are present. Thanks to you for giving me the opportunity to to discover your work with the beekeeping, with your wonderful natural products that you've created out of the honey. And I cannot wait to also discover Gambia with the little time I have here. And may this be the beginning of a new partnership, so you will see more of me. Thank you again. My name is Vanessa Alexandra Berwe. I'm from Canada, but stationed currently in Senegal, in Casamance.
This is your first time visiting the Gambia?
This is my first time here in Gambia, so this is really a pleasure. I'm thrilled to really be here.
What is the aim and purpose of this visit?
So I'm here to really visit Monsieur Fati and this lovely team of ladies that are here because they're doing beekeeping and they're creating natural products for skin, and I really cannot wait to see and create partnerships with other of my partners in Canada.
So I really believe that your visits here will really bring something meaningful to the women of this country.
I do believe already in women economy, where we work as a team. So being able to connect them with people who will be also interested in their products here in Canada is the best thing for me. So it's a win-win situation for both their economy, their families, and also for the ones that I know here who needs to have the natural products in Canada.
So are you having your own organization, or you work with some philanthropists?
So I currently I have a mandate with SUCO, which is an international Canadian NGO. They've mandated me to work with an association of beekeepers in Ziguinchor. But I'm also an entrepreneur, so I do connect people together, like businesses. So it's a B2B, clients to B.
So now, what will be your advice to these women? Hence, this is your first time visiting the Gambia here, and we understand that tomorrow there will be an interface between you and these women who are focused, who are in honey production. So, what will be your advice, and what should they expect from you?
Well, my advice, I should really say, when you know who you are, you're connected to what you've been created to do or to be. It's great to be in your field. So the best thing is when you know who you are, you believe in yourself, don't be afraid to go towards people and share what you know. I don't know everything about agriculture, but I'm here to learn and I'm here to connect with other people who would like to learn and to test the products, to buy the products, because I find it's really important. We don't have that same type of quality in Canada, so yes.
So how long will you be here?
For about maybe a day and a half or max 2. 3 days? Okay. Inshallah, yes. Nice talking to you too. Thank you.
Bendo, bendo la badia.